Hello everyone, hope you guys are well. I am Ujawala and this is our channel UMSCIENCE. Here we are come with a new video which gives us the idea about variety of types of bullet. Firstly, this number one is a lead round nose bullet. As you can see over here, the upper portion is of lead mainly, that's why it is called lead round nose bullet. Because of its good flexibility and projectivity, it was widely in use earlier. That's why the name is given, that is wade cutter bullet. After that, there is a semi wade cutter bullet. As you can see over here, the size is little bit smaller as compared to the wade cutter bullet. That's why it is called semi wade cutter bullet. Another type, that is full metal jacketed bullet. Here there is interesting fact that sometimes it is fully jacketed, so it is called full metal jacketed bullet, and sometimes it is semi jacketed because some portion of the tip is remained without the jacket. It may be in variety of shape and size. Earlier the lead bullets were widely in use, but because of some deformities and not good projectivity of this lead bullet, they were not very much in use, but the place was taken by copper and steel mainly. So after that, copper and steel composition were main in the formation of the bullet. That is the jacketed hollow pointed bullet. As over here the upper tip is hollow, that's why it is called jacketed but hollow point bullet. After that, there is a similar but semi jacketed hollow point bullets are also there in the world. It is because it is not fully jacketed, but the upper portion is simply hollow, and because of this it gives a variety of function of this bullet. Some other cases are also there where some specialized bullets are also formed. It is because some specialized gun are also formed, and because of their region the RCBD bullets were formed. After that, another type is consist of soft point bullet. Here the upper portion of this bullet is exposed lead, and it is little bit softer and smoother. Because of that the name was given, that is soft pointed bullet. The tip, as you can see over here, it is made up of simple soft lead, not much harder. Then comes boat tail bullet. Here the rear end, as you can see over here, is a taper to stabilize the projectile in a flight. So a good variety of the down the boat shape is being given. This gives it a faster flexibility as well as more accessibility, and it will project the target as more comparatively than the other bullets. Then comes the boat tail hollow point. As you can see over here, the combination of both the things, the boat tail as well as the hollow point feature is also over here, and because of this combination it gives great bullet projectivity. Then comes a simple open tip bullet. This bullet is not much better and much widely in use, but because of this simple open tip bullet it was used in variety of revolver and other fire rifles. Then comes a specialized ballistic tip. Over here, as it is clearly observed, the specially functioned tip is prepared. It is for its specialized ballistical function, but other function is after firing and removing from the gun, it just splayed and milled in such a way that it can create grace, disorder as well as destruction inside the human body or animal. Then comes incendiary bullet. It is also known as armor piercing bullet. Over here the core is composed of alloy instead of lead, that's why it is a little different than the lead bullets. Another type, it is more dangerous, known as exploding bullet. When it go inside the body of any human or any animal, it will just explode and blast, and because of this blast effect of this bullet, it is considered as a much more dangerous as compared to the all other bullets. Then next it is tracer bullet. Why it is called tracer bullet? Because when we fire it, we can trace the path from where it is goes and come back, and the length of also can be measured easily. Then comes a new variety. It is very interesting type known as dum-dum bullet. This name is also in a variety of formation as well as its shape. When it fire from the firearm, it will just explode other than the exploding effect, it also just expand inside the human body or other area. Because of this expanding capability, it will create more damage as compared to any other bullet in the list. And because of this expanding effect, it just come in and change inside and convert itself into a flower. So it is also known as a dangerous flower. Then comes a swag lead bullet, as over here, because of the swag structure, a spiral structure at the bottom end, it is called swag lead bullet, as you can see over here. Another type also consists, that is wire patch bullet. Over here, as you can see, the wire is just patched and rolled around the bullet, and sometimes instead of fire, paper is also used. It is because to give a more stability and flexibility of the bullet. Sometimes it is used in variety of bullets. And the last, it is a rubber bullet. The rubber bullet is not a simple bullet. Don't consider it as a simpler one, because it is just given name of rubber. But if it is fired from close distance, it can create great damage to the body, and sometimes even it can crack our bone. So this is how variety of bullet and structures are there, and the remaining types of bullet as well as the internal structure can be covered in the next presentation and video. Till then, thank you very much, and please subscribe our channel if you are new over here.